Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Made in Hell. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the BOXYCHARM. This is a regular box, and this is actually not even my box. My box is still in the mail. So today I'm reviewing my sister's BOXYCHARM for January. So whenever I get mine, I'll do another review, and I'll actually be able to see if she's getting the same things I'm getting, which I'm hoping not, so that way I can steal hers and keep mine, of course. Okay, so, and if you're wondering about this look, and my nose is running, I'm sorry. If you're wondering about this look, this was done with the Blood Sugar palette. If you're interested in seeing how I did this look, you can go to my previous video. Okay, so yeah, today we're going to be reviewing the BOXYCHARM. This is the regular box. I will be subscribing to the premium. So, is it premium? Okay, yeah, it is premium. She's telling me it is. So, because we made a deal that I'm going to get the premium, so she's going to keep this one because she does have the BOXYLUXE, I believe. So, I'll be reviewing her stuff and grabbing her stuff, and I'll be getting the premium, and I'll review this one, which is hers, and then we go so along, and, you know, that's how it goes. Anyway, so, everybody knows that this opens like this. She doesn't know what she got. And I've been making her wait all this time. She's sitting right there. I have like a recliner, so she's just waiting to see what she got in her box, and I'm just waiting to see what I'm stealing from her. Anyway, so we'll see. Look, Melissa, what did she get? Why is it red? Why is it red?
That one is red now.
Oh, they made that red now? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you have the little card that explains what are you getting, and it smells. It smells like beauty like face skincare stuff. Okay, this is, oh shit. Okay, so sorry for the poo-poo language. Okay, so this is what she got on her box. First, she got a Skin and Company Roma Truffle Therapy. It's a face gommage. I've never heard of that before. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. That's what it is. Camera focus. I think you can see it there. There we go. Okay. This gommage, let's see, it is, this one retails for $28. So already with this product, you got the price of the whole box. So yeah, $28, the face gommage, whatever that means. I'll read it in a little bit, see what the hell that was. Okay, she also got, ooh, oh my god, yeah, from Glow Recipe, she got the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I'm hoping that I get this one in my box because this is awesome. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This one retails for $22. You can see it right here. Wait for the camera to focus. Right there. There we go. This is the water sleeping mask, whatever it's called, yeah. Then she also got a Queen, I believe. It's Thick Skin Matte Liquid Lip Satin Rouge Lovers Matte. I guess it's a lipstick in this color right here. That's a cute color. I like that. But it's more like her. I already have colors that are like this. Yeah, I actually have a Jeffree Star color that's kind of like this. Let me see. Kind of like this. Yeah, there we go. So I don't have to steal this one from her. Let me just... So this one is the Queen. So it's QVEEN Studio. So it's Queen still. This one retails for $17. So let me look at it. Let's see. So is this the one? You get right there. Yeah, what I like I've said before, you get like full products for 25 bucks or something like that. So
25.
okay, so this brand, I love it so much. Not their mascara sucks. At least the one I tried. And I'll show you. This is Pretty Vulgar. I think this is a concealer. It looks like it.
It's a concealer.
Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This one retails for $25. Pretty Vulgar Concealer. She'll let me know how this works. I think it's kind of like my own color, kind of close to my color, so it's not. I'm not stealing this from her. I'll just put that there. Okay, so apparently she got a little palette right here. Ace Beauté Scarlet Dust. This one right here. See if the light, you can see it. This Scarlet Light retails for $34.99. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors, reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise. So it has yellows.
Yep, you're gonna love that one.
Yes. The next color, aside from green, is yellow. Yep, that I love. Let me just open it here on the camera. Let's see. Oh, it's got a lot of oranges. That's what it does. I like those colors. Actually, my eyes, I promise I did not do them with this palette. I promise. This is so really cute. That crimson color right there. I'm not touching it because that's hers. This crimson. I hope I get mine. I hope I get this one. Do they have a different one?
Yep.
Okay, so she's telling me that they have a different one. So I'm hoping that I get a different one. So I'll steal this one from her. Because she doesn't like using colors like this. She's more into the neutral, like browns and like smoky eyes. So I don't see her wearing this, which she should because her skin color is really good for bright colors, but whatever. She's not that adventurous, I guess. So let me put this back. So like I said, this one's retails for $34.99. I mean, like I said, I hope I get this. I want to try this. I mean, for $25, I think it is. For $25, the her January palette, not palette, BOXYCHARM. The box is really good. She has a couple of things, and this is heavy, dude. This has a lot of product in it. I like it. Let me see how it smells. Oh, it's sealed like completely. I ain't touching that. That's hers.
You can open it.
Okay, she says I can open it. Let's see. I'm just not gonna break this completely, the seal. I'm just gonna unscrew this. Oh, it's not letting me unscrew it. Let me just. There we go. I broke it. Ooh, that smells really good. Smells really skincare. Yeah, it smells really good. Okay, so yeah, that was it for the January box for my sister. There's a couple of things that I might steal if I don't get them on mine. Starting with the eyeshadow palette and these. Which I'm pretty sure this one, I'm gonna have to punch her for it. I'm pretty sure she's gonna want it.
Oh,
but
yeah.
anyways. That's all she got on the January box. Like I said, I will be reviewing mine when I get it. I did get the tracking number. I haven't checked when I get it. So as soon as I get it, I will be doing the review, and I'll do the comparisons to what she got and what I got. So I'm hoping that we do get different stuff. So that way, if I have something that I don't like, I will give it to her because she probably will like it. Even if she doesn't like it, she'll take it anyways. So that's the family thing going on. She'll take it anyways. Just even if it's gonna stay in the drawer, she's just gonna leave it there. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, watch my other videos and give them a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 1,000 followers. I still have a long way to go, but thank you so much to whoever's followed me already. And yeah, and follow me on all the social medias. I will put them on the box below. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah!